Okay, here we go. We're going to try this out. First question I accidentally already answered, but I didn't want to waste paper. So it says, which salt is least soluble in water at 20 degrees Celsius? So key thing to focus on here is the word least. So when you look over here at your line graph, you need to look at 20 degrees Celsius, which is located right here. And you'll notice that KClO3, potassium chlorate, would be considered the least soluble, which is where I got that answer from. Number 2 says, how many grams of potassium chloride? So first thing is identified, well, what's potassium chloride? That would be KCl, can be dissolved in 200 grams of water at 80 degrees Celsius. Well, 200 grams is an important number in this situation, but first let's go ahead and take a look at 80 degrees Celsius. Here we are at 80 degrees Celsius, and we're looking for potassium chloride. Well, we see here that 50 grams of potassium chloride could be dissolved in 100 grams of water. But note that the question is asking you for 200 grams of water. So what we would need to do is to double potassium chloride. 50 times 2 would be 100. So 100 grams of potassium chloride would dissolve at 80 degrees Celsius. For number 3, it says at 40 degrees Celsius, how much potassium nitrate? So again, we first off need to think, what is potassium nitrate? And that would be KNO3, got a polyatomic ion there, can be dissolved in 300 grams of water. So again, you've got to pay attention to your y-axis and note that this y-axis is showing you 100 grams of water, but the question is asking you for 300. So whenever we do find our answer, we're going to need to multiply that by 3. So at 40 degrees Celsius, let's find that, potassium nitrate, move straight up here, these all kind of get a little tangled here, and we see it right here. So if we go across, we're going to play the about game, and that would be about 43 grams. And again, 43 grams would dissolve in 100 grams of water. So then you would need to multiply 43 times 3, and we would get 129 grams of potassium nitrate there.